Hello everyone, welcome to Jar for Tech. In today's video, we are going to discuss on Aviator Predictor softwares and whether they truly works or not. Before we dive in, please click the like button below. It will really help us grow. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. In this video, we are going to look at three main things. Firstly, what are Aviator Predictor softwares? And second, how these softwares claims to predict the game outcomes. Thirdly, why I think these softwares are scam and why. The Aviator Predictor is a software that claims to predict the accurate crash time of aviator betting games. It promises to provide users with unlimited wins in the betting space and make them ultimately rich. The Aviator Predictor claims to provide predictions by using advanced algorithms that are supposedly similar to those employed by the real Aviator game company. Additionally, it asserts that it utilizes artificial intelligence to intercept and analyze communications between servers to capture accurate predictions. These methods are purported to give the software an edge in forecasting crash times, thereby enabling users to make informed decisions and consistently win their bets. However, such claims should be approached with caution, as the complexity and randomness of aviator games make reliable prediction highly unlikely. As a software developer, I conducted research on about 20 Aviator Predictor software products and found the following. 1. False claims. These software products do not use advanced algorithms or artificial intelligence to predict outcomes. Instead, they rely on random number generators to deceive users into believing they work. 2. Fake marketing. The owners of these software products often create fake videos demonstrating the software's supposed success and post them on social media platforms like YouTube. They might also buy Telegram channels with thousands of followers to make people believe in their scam. 3. Simple development. These software products are frequently created using basic no-code tools like Sketch, where this indicates that the developers lack the expertise in advanced algorithms and sophisticated software development.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Jar for Tech for more tech insights and reviews. See you in the next video.